So here we are in the chapter from barter to money, and we are going to do some important question answers. So 20 important question answers are there from the chapter. So let us start. So question number 1 is, what is the barter system? The barter system is a method of trade in which goods and services are exchanged directly for other goods and services without using money. For example, a farmer may exchange wheat for cloth from a weaver, right? So this is barter system. Next question. What were the difficulties faced in the barter system? So some major difficulties are lack of double coincidence of wants, no common measure of value, goods cannot be divided easily, storage and transportation problems, no standard medium of exchange, right? So this is question number 2. Question number 3 is, what led to the development of money? The problems of the barter system led people to find a more efficient way to trade. Okay, so the problem was that the problem of the barter system, that is the lack of double coincidence of want, no common measure of value, and goods cannot be divided easily. Due to these problems, it just led to the development of the money. Okay, you can write these major difficulties also while giving the answers. Next question, what are the main functions of the money? So the money served the following functions. It became a medium of exchange, it just became a measure of value, store of value, standard for deferred payments that can be used to pay debt in the future. So this is the main function of the money. Next, what forms of money were used in the early days? So early forms of money included salt, grain, metallic coin. They are made up of gold, silver or copper. So these were used before paper currency was introduced, right? Next, how is modern money different from old money? So modern money includes paper currency, coins and digital forms like bank deposits and mobile payments. Unlike old money, modern money has value. It is backed by the government and accepted by all. Okay, so this is the difference between old and modern money. Next, why is money called a medium of exchange? So money is called a medium of exchange because it is used to buy and sell goods and services, eliminating the need for a barter system. Next, what is the role of bank in the modern monetary system? So the role of bank are safely store money, provide loans and credit, facilitate money transfers and help in economic development. Next question. What items were used as commodity money in ancient times? Cowrie cells, salt, cloth, cattle, seeds. So these were the commodity money used in ancient times. These were widely accepted and used before coins emerged. Next, describe the key feature of ancient Indian coins. So it is made up of precious metal or alloy, that is of gold, silver, copper, stamped with symbol or images of the rulers, deities or animals, fixed weight and accepted across region, and called karsapanas or panas. Okay. Now next question is, outline the evolution of money over time. So the evolution of money happened in following stages. Barter system. People exchange goods directly without money. Commodity money. Items like salt, cowrie cells and cattle were used as a medium of exchange. Metal coins. Gold, silver and copper coins were introduced by rulers. Paper currency. Paper notes began to replace heavy metal coins. And finally, digital money. Today we use online banking, credit or debit card, UPI and QR codes for transaction. So this is the evolution of money over the time, right? Next, what is currency? So currency is the system of money in general used in a particular country, especially in the form of paper notes and coins issued by the government or central bank. Okay, this is currency. Next, What is the role of the Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI? So the Reserve Bank of India issues and controls the currencies in India. It ensures that only genuine notes and coins are circulated and controls inflation and other aspects of monetary system. Okay. Next, what is the difference between coin and paper currency? So coins are made up of metal and are usually of lower denomination. Paper currency is made up of special paper and represent higher denominations. Next question. What is digital money or electronic money? Digital or electronic money refers to the money stored in digital form in bank accounts and used for online transactions through cards, apps or internet banking. Next, what is meant by double coincidence of want? So double coincidence of want means that both people involved in a trade must want what the other has to offer at the same time. This was a major limitation of the barter system. Next, what do you understand by standard or deferred payment? So it means money can be used to make payments in the future. This helps people borrow and lend with a promise of repayment at a later date. Next, how has the digital money changed the way we use money? So digital money allows people to transfer money, pay bills and shop online without using cash. It is faster, safer and convenient, right? So question number 19. How did people store wealth before the invention of money? So before money, people stored wealth in the form of goods like grains, cattle or precious metal. However, these were perishable or difficult to carry unlike modern money. And last, how does money make trade easier? Money removes the need for double coincidence of wants, provides a fixed value for items and is easy to carry and store. This makes buying and selling quick and smooth, right? So these are the 20 important question answers from the chapter, that is from barter to money. And the whole chapter explanation is also uploaded. Moreover, the multiple choice question is also there. So if you want, then you can check it out also. So thank you for watching until the end.